For a whole month, I scoured the internet, from Google to Reddit, looking for a clue to find a way to play music in the background, but nothing worked. Then I decided to travel to Proxima Centauri, the nearest star system.
Relax, bitch.
Hoping to find some alien technology that could help me. And now I have that technology.
Shit, I don't even know.
And I'm going to share it with you. So make sure you watch this video till the end. First of all, open your MetaQuest browser and download Spotify from the UpToDown site. Well, this is similar to Google App Store. After it downloaded, open your MetaQuest store and download Mobile VR Station. Then open it. You will see Configuration Wizard option. Click here to proceed. Next, click here to show all options. Then, click here to configure scope storage. After that, click here to request access. The app may crash and the screen may go black, but don't worry. Just click the MetaQuest button on the controller or restart the app. It will be fixed. Now click here and open your download folder. As you can see here, the Spotify, just double tap here and install it. After it installed successfully, open your app library and click here to all and select unknown source here. You can see the installed Spotify app here. Now open it and log in or sign up. One thing to notice, make sure to log in with the same Spotify account that your phone is already logged in with. Also, open your mobile Bluetooth and play music from your phone's Spotify first. Then, switch to MetaQuest Spotify. Now you can enjoy music in the background while playing games. In case of any trouble, kindly comment below. Thanks for watching.